Today we will start a new chapter, that is chemical reaction and equations. Now first let's see the index, what all things we are going to study in this chapter. Now we will be discussing about the chemical changes, that we will be going to discuss it today only, and then in rest of the videos we will discuss about the balanced chemical equations. Then we will discuss about the types of reactions, including combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement reaction, then oxidation and reduction reaction, rancidity. All these things we will going to discuss in detail in the coming videos. Now, before starting the chapter, let's take a review. Now, you all are familiar with the term physical and chemical changes. Now, whenever we speak about the chemical change, now in chemical change, you all know there is a formation of new substance. The properties of the substance that is different from the previous substance from which it is made. Okay, so here one or more new substances with new physical and chemical properties are formed. So that is a chemical change. Okay, now in physical change, no new substance is formed. No new substance is formed in physical change. The properties, only the state or the color, that changes you can see in physical change. Let's see this example about the chemical change. Here you can see when copper sulfate it reacts with iron, then two new substances are formed, that is ferrous sulfate and copper. Okay, so here you can see a ferrous sulfate solution. Previously copper sulfate, it was in blue color, and when it reacts with iron, the color changes and also a new substance is formed having the property different from the previous one. So this is a chemical change. Whereas in physical change, you see there is a change in color or state, but here no new substance is formed. For example, when you heat water, so water changes into steam. So here you can see only the state is changing. The liquid is changing into vapor, but no new substance is formed. Okay, and as you can see, water and steam both are totally different, but the chemical composition is same. So no new substance is formed in this process. Okay, so now here we will be talking about the chemical changes only, and whenever there is a chemical change, please remember it is always due to the chemical reactions between the substances. Okay, so if we have to define the chemical reaction, it is the process in which new substances with new properties are formed from one or more substance. That is a chemical reaction. Now in chemical reaction, two things we see. Okay, the substances which take part in chemical reaction, which are participating in the reaction, they are known as reactants, and the substance which are formed due to the chemical reaction, they are known as product. For example, like respiration, digestion of food, rusting of iron, burning of magnesium ribbon, formation of curd, formation of chapati, all these are the chemical changes, because here you can't get the same product back, because the chemical changes, as you all know, they are irreversible. They can't be reversed back. Okay, we can't get back to the previous substance. So in this way, these examples, as you can see, here is always a formation of some new substances. So these are all the chemical reactions. Okay, and here you can see the chemical changes. So this is all about the introduction of the chapter. Now in detail we will be discussing about the balancing of the equation, then also about the characteristic of the chemical reaction and types of reaction. So this is all, student. Thank you everyone.